Hello and welcome to 3D Print Passion. Today I like to print a present. For me it will be a present for Valentine's Day, but of course it's also usable for Mother's Day or another event. So have fun watching the video. I put all the parts you need together on a Thingiverse page with some links inside for vases and things like that. You see also my informations below the video. I placed there two steams inside the Thingiverse page, a long version and a shorter version, to have the bouquet a little bit more uneven and much more nicer. Let's have a look together. So this is the large steam, and it can be printed with all printers which have a maximum build volume of a high by 250 millimeters. You should print it with a little support because there is a thread and this will be screwed inside the flowers. The flower I show you here will be printed exactly how it is here now orientated. But you should print it with a little prim because the surface is a little bit too small to print it without, maybe. It will be printed without support, and you should make sure that your fan is on 100%, that the petals will be as big as possible. I also printed this rose, which is also not very hard to print and really beautiful. There is another steam, a little bit more complicated to print inside the link of the rose itself. You can find it on my Thingiverse page. I decided to print this vase, also the link in the video description and in my Thingiverse page. I printed it with a scaling of 70% in the high, but with 100% in X and Y direction. You should place some stones inside to have a better stability because of the higher weight. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up, leave me some comments and hit the subscribe button and afterwards the bell to don't miss any new video. In my opinion, this is a very nice decoration and of course a permanent decoration. Beautiful, in my opinion, looks very nice, is awesome, isn't it? Leave me a comment if you think the same way or if you find some nicer flowers on Thingiverse or other pages. So I really like that, and maybe I will print some more of them to have always a present available if I need it very quickly.